Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to solve an equation of the type like this. This is called exponential equation. Exponential equation is an equation. An equation of the form a power x equals to 0 is called exponential equation, such that a not equals to 0. So this is exponential equation, and we will solve it by substitution method. We can write the above equation as 3 power x whole square minus 10 into 3 power x plus 9 equals to 0. Put 3 power x equals to y. So we get y square minus 10y plus 9 equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, and we will solve it by factorization. We can write this y square minus y minus 9y plus 9 equals to 0. Split the linear term in such two terms whose addition give this term and whose multiplication give the product of these two. You know it. So take y common from here, we get y minus 1, and minus 9 common from here, we get y minus 1 equals to 0. Look, y into y we get y square, y into minus 1 we get minus y, minus 9 into y we get minus 9y, and minus 9 into minus 1 we get plus 9. Now take y minus 1 common, so here remains y minus 9 equals to 0. Now take this y minus 1 equals to 0 and y minus 9 equals to 0. Shift 1 to the right side, it become plus 1, and 9 also it become plus 9. Now look at here, we have supposed that 3 power x equal to y. So here we will put the value of, so as y equals to 3 power x, therefore 3 power x equals to 1 and 3 power x equal to 9. Now look, 3 power x, this one can be written as 3 power 0. Here 3 power x, and this 9 can be written as 3 square. Now compare, the bases are same, so the exponent will be equal. 3 and 3, the bases are same, so the exponent will be equal. The solution set is 0, 2. Now look, part 11, 3 into 3 power 2x plus 1 minus 10 into 3 power x plus 1 equals to 0. We can write this as 3 into 3 power 2x into 3. This 2x will, here the power of 3 become, and this one when the power of 3, so we can write it like this. Now 10 into 3 power x plus 1 equals to 0. We can write this as 3 power x whole power 2. Now put 3 power x equals to y, so this equation will become 9y square minus 10y plus 1 equals to 0, and we will factorize it. How? By splitting this term in such two terms that by adding them we get this, and by multiplying this we get the product of these two. So here take 9y common from these two terms, here remains y minus 1, and minus 1 common from these two, here remains y minus 1. Take y minus 1 common, so 9y minus 1. This one equal to 0 and this equals to 0. Shift this one to the right side, it become plus 1, and it's also become plus 1. Divide both sides by 9, so we get y equals to 1 by 9. Now as we have supposed here that 3 power x equals to y, so we can put 3 power x on place of this y, so we get 3 power x equals to 1 and 3 power x equal to 1 over 9. Now we can write this 1 3 power 0, and this 1 over 9 is 1 over 3 square. Shift this 3 square here, so we get 3 power minus 2, and here look, the bases are the same, so their exponent will be equal, and here the bases are the equal, so their exponent will be equal, so we get the solution set minus 2 0. Now look part 12. 5 power x plus 1 plus 5 power 2 minus x equals to 126. We can write this as 5 power x into 5, and this as 5 square into 5 power minus x equals to 126. Now first write the 5 and then 5 power x. This 5 power 2 or 5 square become 25, and this on its place. Okay, now let us suppose 5 power x equals to y, taking reciprocal of both sides, so we get 1 over 5 power x equals to 1 over y. Shift this 5 power x here to the numerator, so it will become 5 power minus x and 1 over y. Now here we will put y, and 5 power minus x, here we will put 1 over y. So the equation will become 5 into y plus 25 into 1 over y equals to 1 over 26. Now multiplying both sides by y, such that we get this equation 5y square plus 25 equal to 126y. Shift this 126 to the left side, the equation will become like this. Now split this term in such two terms by adding which we get this, and by multiplying which we get the product of these two. Now take here 5y common, we get 5 minus 25, and yeah, minus 1 common from these two terms, we get y minus 25 equals to 0. So take these two equals to 0. Now look here, shift this 25 to the right side, y equals to 25, and this minus 1 also to the right side, we get here 1. Divide both sides by 5, we get y equals to 1 over 5. Now look, 5 power x equals to y, so on place of y we can write 5 power x equals to 25, and here 5 power x equals to 1 over 5. Now look at here, this 25 can be written as 5 square, and shift this 5 here to the numerator, it will become 5 power minus 1. The bases are the same, so their exponent will be equal, and here is such case that the bases are the same, exponent will be equal, so we get the solution set minus 1 2.